welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing double unboxing from my favorite brand Dior. And I love to make videos on my channel regarding fashion, luxury goods and everything in between. So if you are new here, consider subscribing, and if you are a regular viewer, welcome back to my channel. I got this stuff like a couple of weeks back and I've been waiting to unbox it, and I just wanted to do it on camera with you and share my first thoughts, my experience with you. So before I unbox these beautiful items with you, I just want to tell you a small story that's behind it. So this item has been on my wish list for last couple of years and I was not able to pull the trigger to buy it. But this time when I went to Paris, I was able to actually get my hands on. First, because it was quite cheap in comparison to the price in India here. Secondly, I was looking for a bag there and we were just roaming around in the mall, which was full of luxury brands. So I was considering buying from Louis Vuitton. When you know you want something, you go to Louis Vuitton and you get it. And I did go there and there was no bag on my mind at that time. And so I had this bag from Celine Triumph, which I wanted to see because Celine is not here. So I wanted to try it on, but I did see it, but I ended up getting this bag because when I was crossing Dior, the bag was staring at me and I was like, maybe it's time I should get it. And my husband also persuaded me and told me, yes, this is the bag, this is something different and you should be getting it. It's going to look very nice, and I've got a color which is going to go very well with my wardrobe, and I'm going to be making good use of it in both winter and summer seasons. So I also ended up getting matching shoes with it because that was also something which was on my mind from a very long time, and I really wanted to match my bag with my shoes, and these are the pair, this pair I've been looking to invest in from a long time. Again, the prices were quite less in comparison to India, so as I was able to score both of these items. And without any further ado, I would love to unbox these items with you. I have got these like 2 weeks ago and they've been sitting in my cupboard, and I wanted to unbox it on the camera in front of you guys, with you guys. So yes, the waiting time I think has come to an end today and we are going to be unboxing it today. So let's go. So this beautiful box, I think, is their new packaging, and it also came with a ribbon. I think I lost it while coming back. So this is the beautiful dust bag. And if you can guess the bag, yes, it is the saddle bag from Dior. Look how beautiful it is. It is in black leather. So this is the inside. It is lined with suede, and there's this Christian Dior tag. It has a zip pocket here. I think it's the receipt or some number that they have put in. So there was this black color also, like all matte black, the CD logo and everything. So there is this back pocket in the bag where you can keep your phone and anything. that is your key is something that you. This is the final look on the bag. How beautiful it is. Okay, so this is how the bag looks inside. And alright, so you can carry it like this or like this. So let's unbox this beautiful shoes. Shout out to Dior for giving me 2 separate dust bags for my shoes. See these beauties. I don't know if you can see, but these are like fabric ones, and the heel size is I think 2 inches or maybe 2.5 inches, and so these are like really comfortable. So I went with 39.5 size because the front size is really narrow, and I am usually 39 size, but it was quite tight from the front and it was poking my middle finger, so I had to size up half a size. I was buying this bag. My essay was like really nice. She was French. She knew a little bit of English, and she knew I was looking for a bag, and she did not ask me my budget, but yes, she got me a very beautiful Dior, Lady Dior ABC in small size, and it was so beautiful. It was hand embroidered, and she told me this is the only piece they have in Europe, and if I was interested in investing it. But it was for I think 11,000 euros, and if I was in the market for Lady Dior, I wouldn't have gone for it because I really like Lady Dior in smaller sizes, and I want my bags to be such that I can wear them without thinking too much. I want them to go with most of my items, and that was a rare piece. And I don't think I'm in the market for collecting bags. I want to use them and get the maximum value out of them, so that I can enjoy wearing them, I can look good, and yes, I can look stylish. So let me know in the comments below how you like my new purchase, and if you think I have made the right investment, and what are your thoughts on this beautiful Dior bag. Until next time, bye bye.